decided that above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and we got on also, and we got 37 pips easily. You can see above this level I had told to buy. This was a no trading zone, and below this level we had to look for selling opportunities, and we got one also, but it made a complete wick and then gave a complete V-shaped recovery. And now, out of the three possibilities, at this level I had told we had to look for shorting opportunities below this level in half quantity and buy in full quantity. So waiting for buying opportunities, because on 15 minutes you can see this is making a complete wick. So we'll wait, not take trade suddenly. We'll wait for a formation of this. You can see it is forming like this. So we'll wait for a W pattern. Now that this pattern has been made, we have to look for double bottom type of pattern, and then we have to look for buying opportunities. If this whole move gets overpowered and market makes some time movement like this, then we have to look for buying opportunities only. Okay, so now in half quantity, if you want to take now, then you can take in half quantity, otherwise it's better not to take any trade. Okay, let the full pattern be made, then we have to take an entry. I'll modify new support and resistances. Support and resistances have been made, so we have to look for a double bottom type of pattern, then only we have to look for buying opportunities. If it crosses this level, then also we have to look for buying opportunities. If it crosses this level below, if it crosses below this level, then we have to look for shorting opportunities. Wait for an double top or M type of pattern, then we have to look for breakdown. Okay, so same in Euro USD also. We had decided out of the three possibilities, the first possibility was that it is going to make an inverted head and shoulders type of pattern. So largely it is not making one. Secondly, we have decided two possibilities, that at this level, if we are looking here at this level, we have to look for buying opportunities, and we got one also, but it was very fast, so no entry here. But those who have taken might have got one stop loss hit. Below this level, we have to look for shorting opportunities, and we got one also. So we have achieved easy from here to here, 15 pips. And then after consolidation, I told that there are two chances. First chance was that if it consolidates and crosses above this level, then chances are we'll get this trade. But it has gone 50% in our direction and then gave it a complete downside move. So hopefully now this is the new pattern. We can times our SL have gotten hit. First time here because it went only 10 to 20% in our direction and then gave completely reversal. And same here, it went 50 to 60% in our direction and then gave complete reversal. So in here, this looks a very volatile area. So it's better that we take trade once the candle gives a good close here, and the stop loss should be very small, and target will be first target here and second there. So no new major support and resistances. I'll modify some new support and resistances have been modified. You have to still take in half quantity because the trend is on the downside. Below this level you can short, and this will be a NT zone. NT means no trade. Okay, so same in GBPUSD also. In here we have to short in half quantity and buy in full quantity. So now it has crossed this level. I had told that below this level we can look for shorting opportunities, and we got one also. So I'll remove this. Above this level we have to look for buying opportunities. Below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities and for a buying zone. And the chances of it being bounce here was very high. As I told, it gave a downside move. Same here, you can see. And then we got a W type of pattern here, and then we are moving up. So new support and resistances I will modified. This will be a no trade zone because it is a volatile area and a confusion zone. So it's better to avoid this area. Above this level we have to look for buying opportunities because it is making an inverted head and shoulders type of pattern. So it's better you take in half quantity once it crosses this level. Okay, and below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities, and this whole zone will be a no trade zone. So no trade in here. In above this level, if it grows, take in half quantity. Below this, in full quantity you can short. Added that we have to take in half quantity if the buying momentum comes. So no such momentum in here. Above this level we have to look for buying opportunities, and we got one also. And in this whole zone I had told that we have to trade in half quantity, reason being the sudden volatile area. And I had also told that let market give a good candle close here, then only we have to look for buying opportunities. And you can see on 15 minutes a good candle close, a retest, and a full move from here till here, as I told. And we have achieved easy money from here till here, 2000 to 3000 points. Okay, those who haven't got, this was the first target, this was second, and this is third. So I'll modify new support and resistances. So I modified new support and resistances. There are chances that you can see a down move from here till here. So it's better you take in half quantity for shorting and scalp basis. So in here you have to scalp in half quantity for shorting opportunities and take full quantity while buying because the trend is on the upside. And above this level we have to take in full quantity for buying, you can see. Okay, so this was the major level because on weekly basis I can show you it has made a good pattern on weekly basis. From 2-3 weeks I'm regularly telling on my videos that there are very high chances that market will make same this type of pattern, and it has made same W pattern which I was telling. Same pattern it makes usually every time, and we can see new high also. We can see Bitcoin going 128, 129 also. Okay, so new support and resistances have been modified. and our trade should be usually bullish rather than selling. Okay, so the market is buy on dips. And this Goldie brother. So in Goldie brother, we had decided three possibilities. Above this level, we have to take in. Above this level, we have to look for buying opportunities and in half quantity because it is at all-time high, and we got 380 pips easily. In here, I had told any V-shaped recovery. In here, I had told any V-shaped recovery, we can look for buying opportunities, but let it cross this level, then only we have to look for buying opportunities. Nothing like that. Nothing like that came. And below this level, we have to look for shorting opportunities in half quantity, and then buy. And in here, look for buying opportunities once this pattern is made bullish pattern. Okay, so nothing like that. Same. New support. I'll modify new support and resistances. Gold is bullish, but on a long term, I'm expecting a good crash in here in gold. But let's see if it gives. Let's see if it gives or not. But I have still not exited my position because the thing is, let the market tell that it is going to crash. Until and unless it tells us, we won't be selling. Okay, so new support and resistances have been modified. So above this level, you have to look for buying opportunities, and below this level, you have to look for shorting opportunities, and above this level also. Okay, so if you like my videos, please like and share, friends. Thank you.